How many numbers are there between 1 and 4? Let's explore this interesting question. Let's start by drawing a number line. Here we have the numbers 1 through 4 marked. First, let's look at the integers between 1 and 4. We have 2 and 3. But there are also many rational numbers between 1 and 4. For example, we have numbers like 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5. We can keep finding more rational numbers by dividing the intervals into smaller and smaller pieces. For instance, we can find numbers like 1.25, 2.75, and 3.33. But that's not all. There are also irrational numbers between 1 and 4. These include numbers like the square root of 2, which is approximately 1.414, and pi, which is approximately 3.14159. In fact, between any two numbers on this line, no matter how close they are, there are infinitely many more numbers. This is what mathematicians mean when they say the real numbers are continuous and dense. There are infinitely many numbers between 1 and 4, making it impossible to count them all.